Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot in laptop. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So I have in here this search result of a dog, which is actually really cute. So if you want a screenshot, there's actually an option on your keyboard, but some keyboards doesn't have this. If your keyboard has a print screen button, head over and then click on that. So from in there, just head over and click your print screen button in order to screenshot some things. Another option that you can do is to just head over and then just try to screenshot using three keys. You can click your Windows Shift S. So let's click that, Windows Shift S. And then from in there, you should be able to screenshot whichever things you want to screenshot from in there. So as you can see, here's a snip saved to my clipboard. Now, whenever I head over to my Paint, I should be able to add them right here. So let's head over to our Paint. And then just click on Control V. And as you can see, the screenshot has been added right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.